Is your Suzuki's infotainment system stuck in a restart loop, showing a black screen or freezing? This is a common issue, especially in models like the Swift, Vitara, S-Cross, and Baleno. The problem typically stems from software glitches within the system provided by suppliers like Panasonic or Visteon. As of late 2025, Suzuki has released software updates and recalls to significantly mitigate these issues, reporting a 70 to 90% resolution rate among affected vehicles. First, perform a soft reset by turning off the vehicle, disconnecting the battery for 10 to 15 minutes, and then reconnecting. This clears temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, try a hard or factory reset through the infotainment menu under Settings System Reset Options. Back up your data first. Ensure your Suzuki Connect app is updated, and check for over-the-air software updates, which are now standard on most models. If the problem persists, a dealer can perform a diagnostic scan or manually flash the firmware. As a last resort, the head unit may need replacement, which may be covered under warranty if related to a recall. Keeping your system updated and avoiding overloading it with unnecessary apps or USB devices will prevent future issues.